welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mira's World here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. So you guys, I'm currently at Sheraton Hotel in Pudong, Shanghai, China, and I want to quickly give you guys a room tour. I especially love the view from here because I'm currently on the 16th floor and I really can't leave this place without giving you guys a room tour. So come with me, let me show you what this room looks like. So I'm just gonna be starting from here. This is the lift, so if you just come out of the lift, you're gonna take your right, and that's my room, the first one facing you. So let's swiftly open it and take a look. Go on. So I'm going to be putting out the power by slotting in the card, and this is what we have here. So I'm just going to swiftly do a room tour. This is the door I just came out from, and there are instructions about the room. That's me on the mirror, and I'm just going to walk you guys through every section of this hotel. For first thing, I'm just going to walk through this passage and I'm going to be showing you guys the entire room. This is what the room looks like. Everything looks so beautiful, everything is well detailed. So I'm just going to go ahead and start from this part of the room. My left hand side is this beautiful mirror with bedside lamp, bedside drawer. I'm already charging my phones and stuff over here. I think there's another door that leads to the restroom that is here, but we'll check that later. This is the wardrobe, and here is a safe box where you can just save stuffs and all, and then you have compartments for random stuff. You can store dirty clothes and random things in any of these compartments, and that's what the door looks like. I'm going to be opening the other side, and yeah, this is the robe, umbrella, duvet and stuffs are just in this compartment. So I just happen to keep my bag over here because my stuffs are still downstairs. It's currently raining in Shanghai, so I guess that's why they dropped this umbrella. That's so thoughtful of them. Then there's everything you need inside here. On my left hand side is the door to the washroom. I guess we'll come and check this later. Let's continue with the room first. So here is the king or queen size bed. I'm not too sure, but it's not as large as the last hotel I stayed in Hangzhou. This bed is just so comfortable. There's a beautiful wall frame here, and also by this side is another bedside drawer, the same bedside lamp, and a mirror of me saying hi to you guys, because mirrors here are just surplus and I love the mirror. On this part of the room is a small couch where you can just relax. You usually see this in every hotel room, and I feel like it's mat for prayer for people that really wants to pray and all. My passport is not supposed to be here, so I'm just picking it up. So I guess that's why the mat is there, and there's this couch where you can just relax if you want to sit or lay on it or something. Lamp that is here for reading or for whatever you want to use it for. Now on this side of the room is the reading area, and it looks so nice. This is office and reading area. You have everything you need. There's a table, there's a chair, there's a telephone if you want to make an emergency call the restaurant or call whoever. There's a waste bin here for you to throw trash. That is paper. And yep, that's it for this side. So I'm here just to stay here, and it's relaxing. I love it here. So there's a place you can charge your laptop, your phones and all. And I like the fact that you need to draw it out and close it, so it looks fanciful and really nice. So the reading area is 10 over 10. Me again saying hi to you guys. Hi. And then right here is area where I don't know what's stored here, but let's see. Okay, these are envelopes and letterhead in case you need to mail someone a letter from here if you're staying here for a long time. And this particular compartment is empty, and that's it for this area. On the right hand side, I'm trying to like see what is on top of this particular compartment. Here we have electric kettle, jug, coffee, tea, and all of that. Think if you want to like order something or whatever. And then the fridge is over here. That's all for this part of the room. Then there's teacup, water on top of it. Now on this side of the room is this television and television set or the cabinet, whatever. I love the way that this thing moves. However you want to tilt it, it moves around. And then there are cabinets here, empty. I guess that's for you to just store stuff. You want to like store things, basically. And that's the remote for the television. Is this stuff? I literally have forgotten what it's called. I think you can place random stuff on it. And then there's this beautiful artwork here. Very plain, but very beautiful. And then finally, these guys, this is where the view is. The amazing view. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And this is Shanghai city. Amazing view. Amazing. Let me show you guys. This is what the city looks like. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this amazing? Oh my god, I would love to see what this looks like in the morning, so I'm just gonna make a clip in the morning. But overall, guys, look at this. So particularly for me, I enjoyed this view, like sitting and just watching the cars move around, honk, even though they hardly do that there. Watch the lightning in the city, everywhere just so lit up. It was really therapeutic for me. So on this side of the room is the toilet. Let's go and see what it looks like. That's me again on the mirror, and this is the sink area where you can brush your teeth. There are towels here. They already placed a hand soap here, towel. This is me saying hi again. This lightning, water and cup to brush your teeth, more lightning. There's a scale over there, but I'm not going to be weighing myself. Nah. I've been eating a lot on this trip, so please pardon me. On this side of the washroom is the wardrobe. You can literally open it from here or open it from the room. So it has like double door opening. So on this other side is the pressing iron and stuff like that. And then there is a door by the right hand side. And this door leads to the passage that leads to the entrance of the room. It's funny how the toilet has two doors. So when you open this one, you just go straight and see this mirror here, and then by your right hand side is the door to the exit. So let's say you are entering the room and you want to use the restroom, you don't have to like go over to the other side. You just open this door and voila, that's it. So this is the toilet. The toilet is separated from the bathroom. There's this cute painting on the wall, and it looks like a bit old, like model kind of toilet, because I mean this hotel is like a very old hotel, but it's still like really maintained very well. And then this is the bathroom. There's a bathtub here, and yeah, it just looks comfy, simple. Yeah, there's a shower, and there's another kind of shower there, and then there's this small mirror where you can see yourself. The highlight of this hotel for me the mirrors. Like I like seeing mirrors everywhere, and then they have all these shampoos, soap, and everything like you normally have in a hotel. So generally this is what the washroom looks like. It is spacious. It has every compartment, the toilet, the bathroom, and then the wash area. It's really nice. So right now I'm going to take you guys downstairs so that we can see what the hotel looks like generally. It's like 9ish p.m. and it's really very late. This is me on the lift, and I have these two Chinese people just in, but I don't mind. I'm still gonna like continue my filming because I mean nobody cares. I'm down, and this is what the lobby looks like. It is so big and really beautiful. So this is like, I think this hotel is like 35 floors, and it's actually late. So tomorrow morning I'm just gonna like go outside and film and show you guys how tall the hotel is. It really looks nice and really beautiful. So it's the next morning, and I just came out, and this is how tall this building looks. So basically this is what my hotel room looks like, and I feel like it's really nice. It's so cozy, the view is breathtaking. I hope you liked and enjoyed this room tour, and maybe it will be helpful whenever you want to come to China, or whenever you're looking out for hotels. You already know what this looks like, so you can just go ahead and book. Anyways, this is basically what it looks like, and I think this is between $250 to $300. I'm gonna confirm and leave it down here on the screen. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Tell me the best part of your room. Is it the view, or everywhere is well? Please just let me know your best part of this room. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider hitting on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then,